What's good, YouTube? It's back with your boy Meech with another video. You heard me? Today we about to go put the heat exchanger on for real though. I woke up way too late, so now I'm gonna have to turn up for real. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this stuff in. Hopefully, my boy Ivan at the shop. If that guy at the shop, I can get everything put in and all that, and then yeah. And my heat exchanger, I gotta put the coolant in. I think that besides that, that's all I need, because I'm gonna do my gear trends and all the other fluid changes back at the crib. I just need the heat exchanger and coolant. Yeah, this should be good. Hopefully he got a bucket I can drain the rest of my coolant into. I'm gonna take my gloves just in case he ain't got no gloves. Gotta keep my hands from being rough. I don't think I need any tools because he really got everything over there, hopefully. Got everything packed up. Coolant, gloves, heat exchanger. Yeah, got the close garage. I'm gonna try to get a little how-to in, even though there's a lot of videos on how to do it. I'm gonna try to get a how-to though while I was doing it, because I mean, shit, why not? But yeah, I'm gonna catch you when I get back to my guy's shop and we get started. Yeah, for sure. Ooh, what's good, YouTube? There you go. What's it called? So I got a little too ahead of myself. We got basically everything off needing to get to the heat exchanger. This is my stock one. I got the aftermarket in the back. But yeah, I got everything off so far. The only thing is my crash bar. This car was involved in an accident and I reported, so I bought it, so it's technically still a clean title. But I need a new crash support. I have to cut it to get that last bolt out. I'm gonna see if I can source one out so I can replace it now. And then I'm gonna figure out what's making this wiggly, if I'm missing a bolt or something, so I can get that in place. And then that's gonna be like my whole front end basically back together and good. But yeah, I'm gonna get the heat. I don't got my tripod, so I can't even do a time lapse of me working on this. But basically, it's easy. Like in the other video, you gotta take the clips off the top for the front bumper. Take all that clips out. Take the bracket retaining for the front bumper. Take those clips out. Pop the screw that goes in to hold on the side. And 12mm. Get the bolts out for the crash bar. There's basic clips for your fog lights and everything else. Replace those. And that's literally it. I'm about to get these hoses out the way and then unplug it, and then I'll get to you when I got the coolant drained out and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can put the camera somewhere and get it the time lapse and record. If not, that is gonna catch me whenever I pick the camera back up. You. Old heat exchanger, new heat exchanger. Old coolant, space. We gotta make space and get this in. I'm about to try and get this in myself. If not, I will get help in a little bit. Take a video so they know I just got this out the packaging too. About to go watch this video real quick, and I'm gonna figure out what side I gotta put my stickies on. think it's back here, but yeah, I'm gonna figure out what side I gotta put the stickies on. I'm gonna put the sticky on. We're gonna get this inside of the car. For sure, for sure. Come to find out, I gotta cut this. It's enough to fit on both sides. I just gotta find it. I thought that was Brody. Shit. Damn. The stickies. Where am I going to find a scissors? Something to cut with. I don't got anything to cut with. Okay. Honestly, I guess we could use this. Look, this is even footage right here to tell y'all, boy. If anybody tell you I don't work on my cars, gang. If anybody tell you Meech, don't work on their cars, gang. Pull this video up, bro. Every single car I've owned, I've worked on it myself, gang. Don't get it twisted. I have gotten help, depending on the difficulty. But other than that, I do my work, gang. Unless, like I said, I really need help and I don't have the tools, I don't got the time, none of that. If it ain't that case, I work on my car, gang. Don't let anybody tell you I don't do my own work, gang. Cause that's a lie. On me, that's a lie. Alright, and this I don't even need to cut, just slap it on. It's a little bit left over. There's a little tiny piece left over. Other than that, I got everything. I'm gonna keep this, I'm gonna put that in the car. I got washers, what do I need to wash this for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Ugh. I will get back to y'all once I get the new heat exchanger in. I'll catch y'all in the next segment. Boom, baby. We got it on. Bolted up. What do you call it? I had to remove the crash support. This part that goes right here. That made this so much easier after I done sat here. I low-key scratched up the heat exchanger over here in the back, trying to fit it through here. The rest of it came when I first shipped, and a little bit on the back from the bolt scratching it. But yeah, we're gonna do a pressure test on it to make sure it's still holding, everything's fine, and if everything is good, then yeah, we are good to go. I'm gonna put everything back together until Brody gets back. We're gonna compression test it, and then I'm gonna use the airlift or whatever, the special tool to refill the coolant back inside the system, and then yeah, that's really it. I'll get back to y'all in a little bit after I finish piecing most of the stuff together. Yo, what's good? I'm gonna hold you. I was like, not gonna lie, I might take this time to spit a little inspiration or whatever for y'all that be working on your cars, your little project cars or whatever. Don't listen to what people say, gang. Do it. You may not have you may not be mechanically inclined, but trust me, YouTube does a lot. Like, everything that I do now is because of YouTube and doing it. Gang, I just put a heat exchanger on a car. You feel me? Like this, like it's not nothing easy, but it's definitely not hard either. It definitely made it hard because this car, you feel me, was in an accident, fixed. But I mean, for the most part, everything is fixed. I just needed a crash support. I need to fix the headlight so it sits upright. And That's gonna sit up right. I'm trying to get some carbon fenders. Not gonna hold you, but I might have to do some body work to get that right. But other than that, like, I just need a crash bar, replace that, and we good. I just fixed my windshield wiper fluid reservoir, whatever you want to call it. Just fix that because I just seen like the hose wasn't connected. I found the hose, pulled it out, fed it back through and connected it. So now I got windshield fluid. Found my issue, guys. There's not much space for stuff. You feel me? And boom, I just found my problem. My belt is getting shredded, gang. I don't know what's doing this shredding, but my belt is getting shredded. I just put the Z1 belt with the pulley on. I'm like, why is it getting shredded? You feel me? So now I need to buy another pulley because this shit is broken. I need to buy another pulley, and then I need to figure out what's misaligned or what's going on because my belt is shredding, gang. My belt is legitimately shredding. I think it's probably already cut in half, gang. My belt is already cut in half, brody. Like, nah, I'm tight. Being for real, like, nah, I'm tight, bro. Like, cause like, what in the world? How does this happen, bro? It's literally turned to one thing is another, but really, I just wanted to stop the screeching and get this upgraded. It's the whole reason why I did that. A new belt on the way, and we're gonna figure out how to get this solved. I'm gonna have to take it to a professional shop to get something realigned if something's out of alignment, but I don't know, man. I just had to change the tires. That was a cool little 400 buckaroos. Changed the rear to $400. The fronts are great. Heat exchanger, 800. Z1 upgraded anti-jump pulley and belt. 180 so far. And you feel me? This how I'm treated. But yeah. I'm gonna get that recorded, sent out, see what they say. Still waiting on Brody to come back so that we can get this heat exchanger checked and bled, get it filled up, put the bumper back on, put the car back together, and I guess that's really it. Supposed to be getting the windows tinted today too, but that ain't go as planned either. Not a lot of stuff is going as planned, you feel me? But it's fine. We always have jumps and hiccups, it's cool. I ain't tripping. We gonna get it done regardless. I'll tell you that. We gonna get it done regardless. It's just, yeah, add a little push or whatever, but it's cool. We gonna get this car back together. We gonna get everything done. And yeah, I ain't even finished my inspirational talk. I ain't gonna hold you, but I'm gonna pick it up and finish it later. Yo, what's happening, gang? Alright, yo, so boom. The car is working. We are done with the car. I'm done with the car. We ran into a lot of problems, gang. So after I finished up everything heat exchanger wise, bro had to go run errands. Like in the last clip, I said that one of my other mains, we came back, and I guess I had did something to where one of my hood latches wasn't working. So he was trying to fix it, and we closed it. It wasn't opening back up. So that was probably another hour and a half of everybody helping me get it, and we finally got it. We fixed it. Then I bled the system. I forgot to pick the camera up because I was already heated. But we bled the system with the vacuum kit and all that. And yeah, everything's good, but the only problem is my tensioner, my belt. Get that fixed, and then I need brakes. I need rotors and brakes because this is crazy. But after I get that done, Yeah, this car is basically good. This car is actually good. It pushed though. I just need the belt squeakiness to go away. Heat exchangers on. I just need to get tuned now. Tuned, downpipe, exhaust. That's it for right now. You feel me? I'm not doing nothing crazy right now until like this fuel system. Once I get the fuel system and everything done, we been pushing 500-600 horsepower, and then that would be good. I'll just fix everything aesthetic wise on the car. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to where I'm going. Maybe I might pick the camera up, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. YouTube, you feel me? We back. Yeah. We back. You feel me? We ending the vlog off because you feel me? Ain't nothing else happen after that. That's the end of that. You feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all later, and you feel me? Y'all do what y'all do, gang. Go crazy, gang. That's my slippers, fool.